Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your library on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to check your library on Chromecast, you're going to be using this profile icon to the top left of the screen. Now on the top left of the screen, click that profile icon and come to library. Now everything you rent or buy as you navigate on the Chromecast will be available here. So you can see all of that content in one place. So if you've bought anything, if you rent any piece of content, movies, TV shows, or any sort of content, all of that will appear in your library. All you need to do is to come to the library, as we have just done, and you see all of those content media in one place. So for me, it's easy to manage all of that, navigate them, and reference them. You'll come back here to stream them, and you have all of them in one place. So that's the benefit of using your library. Now, if that was useful and you're accessing the library, let me know how you use the library, any tips you have down in the comments below. I also want you to like the video if you found it insightful, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. This is DaveTech signing out.